Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect WhatsApp web on your laptop. Alright, let's begin. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. Next, go to the WhatsApp web website by typing in web.whatsapp.com in the address bar and hitting enter. Here, you'll see a QR code and a message prompting you to scan it with your phone. This is how WhatsApp web connects to your mobile device. Now take your smartphone and open WhatsApp. Tap on the three dots or the menu icon in the top right corner of the app. Select Link Devices from the menu. Now click on Link Device. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code on your computer screen. Once scanned, your WhatsApp account will be mirrored on your computer screen. You'll see all your chats and contacts just like you would on your phone. So that's basically how you can connect WhatsApp web on your laptop. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.